Welcome to the testing world. In this session, I'll show you how we can set up Jira trial version on Windows machine. What are the components, what are the functionalities we are going to learn in this Jira course. For that, we will set up Jira software on our Windows machine so that we can practice it on our own system. So process would be, first of all, we are going to download Jira and then we are going to set up Jira and it will be ready to use for us. So let's move to the browser first. I'm here on the browser and I just type download Jira software. Okay, it will take us to download Jira software server, Atlassian website, and there you will get option to download it. Even they are giving Jira on the cloud. So what you can do, you need not to set up Jira on your system. You can directly use it through the URL. But in this session, I'm going to show you how we can set up it. So there is a latest version. Whatever the latest version you are going to get, that's okay. Just select your operating system. So I'm selecting like it's a Windows 64-bit. Agree and submit. So it will start downloading that Jira software exe. Okay, I'm just waiting for this download to be completed and then I'll move forward. Once file is downloaded, just double click to start the installer. Here in the installation process, we will just follow the straightforward options. We are not going to make many changes. So let me show you step by step. So here I'm just saying yes, install it. Yes, I want to give the admin permission. Next, next, and where you want to install it. So that is the default location on my system. You can change it. You can browse and select any other location if you want. And that is important. So it shows like it is going to start Jira on 8080 port. So that's fine with me. I'll just keep it same and click on the install. Now it will take some time to install all these files. So in the meantime, I'm just pausing this recording. So now it will move to the next screen. This process is going to take around 5 to 10 minutes. So we need to wait for that. Okay, once it is done, it is saying, would you like to start Jira software? Yes, I'll keep this checkbox. Now it's launching the Jira. So here we'll have to wait and it will show you to start browser. So let's wait for this Jira to be started. And as you can see, it's a very straightforward process. You just follow next, next and finish. Okay, here it shows, would you like to start Jira in your browser? Yes, I want to. So if you can check it, it was showing port is 8080. That is started. Okay, why it shows this cannot be reached? Reason behind that, you can check it, still the process is going on. So we'll have to wait on this process. This process, like which is showing on this console, to be completed. Only after that we can access Jira on the browser. So it's still server is starting. We are setting up Jira on local system, so it is starting server on the local system. So it will take few minutes. I'm just waiting. Okay, now go and try to refresh that. Yeah, so if you can check it, now it is starting up Jira and it will ask you to set up account. Let it complete. Okay, now it says, would you like to set up Jira automatically or you want to set up? As of now, we are not very much comfortable on that. We will set up automatically, like set up for me. It will automatically set up Jira with default set of functionalities. So I'll just select the first option, continue. Right. Now what exactly you have? You have a Jira software which is available for 30 days trial. So now we can use it. Okay. If you can see, it says, would you like to create a license? That's your server ID. Yes, generate a license for me. Okay. A license is generated. Yes. So it's a trial license. Okay. Now you need to set up administrator account. Means administrator would be person who can do everything on the Jira. So we will have to set up an account. For that, I'm just giving my details like testing word India @gmail.com. Username, it will set up automatically, which is testing word India. Whatever the password you want to give, just give it over here. Okay. Next. So it is configuring database, initializing. So again, this process will take few minutes. We need not to bother what all the activities are taking place. So by this way, we will set up Jira on our own system, and then we will use this Jira for learning and practicing. It is setting up Jira environment and then finishing the setup. So this process will take another 5 or 10 minutes. So this complete installation process will range from 10 minutes to 20 minutes on your local system. So now it is set up. Let's get started. Okay, now it asks like which language you want to select. I'm just keeping it English. Continue. Would you like to change your add your photo or any image? I'll just keep it blank. Okay, now you are on very important place. You want to create a new project, import from another tool. You want to see a project in action. Okay, well, let's start with the basic one, this first option. So it will create a project with preloaded sample data and we can utilize that. So I'll just start with this, like we are creating this project and what kind of methodology you are following. So I'll start with the Scrum software development. So I'll show you Scrum model, and we have multiple options like Scrum model, Kanban. We have like why you want to create the project. So I want to create this project for the project management. So we have a different option. I'll start with the basic one. I'll say first one, Scrum model is very popular, so we'll start with that. Click on next. What is the name of the project you want to give? I'm saying record management system. So you can give any name to your project. I'm just keeping it record management system. You can do it anything. Click on submit. So now it will create a project with some sample data and we can play with the data. So let's move to next screen. Right. So now if you can see, Jira software is set up. There are some sprints over here. A lot of data is already loaded over there. So now you can use this data, or I would say now you can use this project for practice or analyzing the different features here in Jira. So in this session, agenda was to set up Jira on the local machine, or I'll say local Windows machine for practice that we have done. This setup is available for 30 days trial. So just keep in mind while learning and practicing. In this session, that's all we have. Thanks for watching.